Hi everyone and welcome back to Interview Chronicles Season 4. Today we are in the 26th episode of this series and we have Garima here with us who has been recently placed at Meesho as a part of her campus placements at VIT. She is here to share her interview experience with us, but before we talk to her, let's look at the eligibility criteria for this company. So all the students belonging to all BTech branches were eligible provided they had no standing arrears. Now let's go ahead and talk to Garima and understand her experience interviewing for Meesho. Hi Garima, firstly welcome to my channel and congratulations on your placement. So
Hi, thank you so much for this opportunity.
yeah, so would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone, myself Garima Raj, and I am pursuing my BTech degree in Information Technology at VIT Vellore. During this course of time, I've delved into various programming languages and core subjects. But apart from these, I have a small inclination towards financial stuffs, learning about it, analyzing markets, and all.
Okay.
I have been consistent throughout my academic journey, and my aim is to become each day better of each day better version of myself, of course.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. You can now tell us about the placement process, like how many rounds were there and what they comprised of.
Yeah, sure. So very first round, as we got the mail, we applied to the process, and as per the eligibility criteria, of course. So we around 700 members were shortlisted for taking up the online assessment.
Okay.
And where we generally had our online assessment at HackerRank platform.
Okay.
There were around 25 to 30 MCQ questions,
Okay.
which was mainly based on SQL, and there were 4 programming questions on SQL, which was around of easy to medium level.
Okay.
On that, which I was able to solve around 3 of them.
Okay.
And completely 3 of them completely I did solve. And just after few hours we got the results out for the interview round.
Okay.
So out of the 700 people, 550 were shortlisted for the next interview round.
Okay.
And the next day we had our interview scheduled in the afternoon session.
Okay.
So in the interview, the very first technical round it was. As we went through the interview, I got a very chill interview, I would say.
Okay.
She was quite friendly with me, and she introduced herself, asked my introduction, of course, and then we quickly delved into the SQL thing.
Okay.
We had around 6 questions given, which I had to solve along with the logic, telling them how I'm solving it, going through the process step by step.
Right.
And yeah, she was asking in middle like what window functions are you using, and what are the uses of this, and how did you get to this conclusion, and what's the logic behind all that.
Right.
And after solving the question, the interview lasted for about 40 to 45 minutes.
Okay.
And it ended up, and quickly after that, an hour after, we received the second round link. That was again a technical interview, but it had some managerial questions at the end as well.
Okay.
So yeah, after the first round, out of 50, 10 were in the second round. So in the second round, we had again the technical round, in which the interview asked me the SQL codes. Around 2 questions were again from the SQL thing. And the question was moderate, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
And again, you have to solve it, telling them the logic and step-by-step procedures. So yeah. After then, he asked me like, since I am from IT background, so he asked me from like, why do you have interest in business analyst role, and where did this interest came from, and all that. Again, after that, he asked me what is my favorite shopping platform actually.
Okay.
But that was not a question, but he gave me a scenario-based question on that, which went for around 30 minutes of discussion on it.
Okay.
And after then, we didn't had any HR round. That was the
Final
conclusion round, I guess.
Okay.
So yeah, after that, the next day in the late night or evening, we got the results announced. So
Okay.
out of 10, two made it into the full time as well as the internship thing.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and congratulations again.
Thank you.
So do you have any suggestions or anything that you'd like to share from your experience for your juniors or for people who are trying to get into good company?
Yeah, of course. I think the placement season, the drive is of course very challenging and traumatic for many of us. We see people around us getting placed and we are still practicing around. So at that time, one should actually just keep patience for their time to arrive.
Right.
And for the interview tip, I would say that we should keep it as a conversation, not just a monotonous Q&A.
Correct.
So that the interviewer who is looking for an employee should know that they are going to work with the people who can listen to them, converse with them, discuss the problems, the solutions, and not just a robotic Q&A session kind of thing.
Right.
So that will help them get through the interview, I guess.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and for your suggestions. I'm sure it's going to help many people. And yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much here as well.
Thank you all for watching. If you did like this video, if you found this helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And all the best on your placements. Thank you all for watching.